Since I was a little kid, I want to be a scientist. I want to study the mystery of the everything. 50 years ago, I went to college, studied physics, and all my life, being to research, I discovered science. Today's science is a cult. Everything, almost everything you learned, it's false, it's a mistake, it's a lie. After 1850, energy conservation laws being discovered and proved. After that, electromagnetism is a half mistake, lot of mistakes. Relativity, quantum mechanics are totally bullshit, totally voodoo science. It's worse than astrology, worse than fortune telling. That's not science. But every college, how the whole world worship quantum mechanism, worship relativity. Those are totally bogus. Not a tiny bit is correct. Let me explain relativity. Einstein said there's no gravity. Gravity is the space-time curvature. And he said space tells matter how to move, and the matter tells space how to curve. Space, how can space tell Earth how to move? Earth moves because orbiting the sun, because the sun attracts the Earth. But the Earth moves 90-degree direction, has a centrifugal force. These two forces balanced, so the Earth can orbit the sun. Has nothing to do with the space-time curvature. What is the space-time curvature? Space-time is a concept, has no mass, no physical existence. Space-time just a concept, does not exist in real world. What is the space-time curvature? How can space be curved? Only matters can be curved. Einstein also famous on the time dilation. You put the same accurate clock on airplane, on refrigerator, another one on the hot desert. After 24 hours, every clock reading different. Because the clock is a timer, it's not a time. Time is a concept. Timer to measure time. Timer movement at a different location, different circumstance. The reading will change. As the time of the reading dilated, changed. It's not time itself changed. If you take a vehicle at light speed, go to the nearest star, 4 years away, and come back, it took 8 years, 8 Earth years. And Einstein said if you ride that spacecraft, you come back, you'll be 8 years younger because your time is frozen when you move at a light speed. This is total bullshit. You spend 4 years, go there, 4 years, come back, that's 8 years. It doesn't matter how you clock reading, that is 8 years. Time cannot dilate. Time is a concept. How can you touch a concept? How can you curve a concept, dilate a concept? No, it's timeless. Reading changed at a different circumstance. Time the reading changed, and scientists call that time dilation. It's a totally lie. Einstein won Nobel Prize for his photoelectric effect theory. The light hit solar cells will transfer momentum from photons to electrons, so the electron can move, produce electricity. That is wrong. That is wrong theory. Einstein, before he died, after he won Nobel Prize 50 years, he said he spent 50 years trying to figure out what are light quantum. He couldn't figure it out. He said nowadays everybody thinks he knows what is light photon. It's mistaken. This is Einstein's word. Scientists don't give a fuck. Scientists still photon this, photon that. There's no photon. NASA led, they invent the solar cell, put it in space, so the photon hit the solar cell, can transfer momentum, can push, can accelerate the spacecraft. NASA, China, Japan, they all lied. They said they tried to send the solar cell in space test and it works. It's all lies. It's a continental lie. There's nothing in space. All the space missions are fake. You read a book, you know the Earth's atmosphere has many layers. The layer from 100 kilometers to 600 kilometers, that is 500 meter thick atmosphere. They call it thermosphere. That thermosphere is the ISS and the Starlink satellites. They are orbiting in that range, in that thermosphere. But the textbook said thermosphere temperature is 400 degrees, 4,000 degrees. It's so fucking hot. How can anything survive there? This all according to textbooks. Thermosphere is hot, 4,000 degrees. And the ISS and Starlink satellites are orbiting in that thermosphere. This is according to textbooks. Is that a conflict? Can you use your brain? Can you read? Can you think? All the space missions are fake. Money laundry. I tell you what, the very simple lie around the Earth. Scientists lied. Tide is caused by Earth's gravity. How can Earth's gravity lift the seawater 50 feet high, produce tide? This is totally bullshit. The whole school teaches you that. The whole world believes this bullshit. You go Bay of Fundy. Bay of Fundy is about 90 miles long. At high tide, the west end of the bay, high tide is 50 feet. The east end of the bay, the high tide is only 20 feet. The most gravity lifts the water, one side 20 feet, the other side 50 feet. What kind of theory is that? This is a fact. Everyone can see. Why scientists deny this fact? Still said most gravity produces tide. They are fucking liars. They're so stupid. Tide is illusion. It's the coastal sea land move in the level of the ocean. Cause the illusion of tide. Why the seabed will move? Because Earth's crust is doing thermal expansion every day because the sunlight moves around the Earth. The thermal expansion has a different area cause the coastal move in the ocean. That's why some places have one tide, some places have two tides. UK has has 4 tides a day. How can most gravity doing that? All the scientists don't understand tide. They understand black hole, understand solar wind, fusion on the sun. It's all bullshit. It's all lies. I studied physics all my life. Take my word and check the record. Read what I said from textbooks. See if I'm correct. If I'm correct, open your mind. Fix the problem. All this college, high education, teach all these lies. Quantum physics, relativity, all bullshit. Totally bullshit. Totally bullshit. After 1850, after energy conservation law being discovered and proved, nothing is new. Everything is bullshit. Cosmology, black hole, white hole, fucking assholes. Scientists are fucking assholes.